Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra English Medium School affiliated to CBSE Delhi. The primary objective of learning in Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra reflects the real essence of Swami Vivekananda's vision and mission. We see that our young learners' hand, head and heart works more efficiently and works together remarkably in a connected way. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra, an English medium senior secondary school with a group of schools in and around Bhubaneswar run under Lord Jagannath Mission Trust, Lakshmi Sagar, Bhubaneswar, a premier multi-activity based organization in the field of educational, social and cultural work. Managing Trustee Mr. Bairagi Charan Naik, the founder of Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra in the year 1981, with his endless effort till now 65 Odia medium and 15 English medium school are functioning under Lord Jagannath Mission Trust.
এই স্কুলରୁ ବହୁତ ପିଲା ଡାକ୍ତର ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ଓଏଏସ୍ ଏସବୁ ପାଇକିରି ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବାହାରେ ବି ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ଚରିତ୍ର ଗଠନ ଏ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନର ମୂଳ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ।
Our aim and objectives. The first and foremost objective of Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra is to ensure the children to make them practical in every field. It is something more than the book and classroom teaching.
Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra, an English medium school imparting quality education and build the character of the students and providing knowledge, creativity for the all-round development of the students.
Campus infrastructure. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra has a wide area of campus surrounding with all greenery. The school building completely furnished with large classrooms, libraries, computer labs, science laboratories, washrooms, playgrounds, etc.
Our school is growing day by day in a geometrical process in comparison to good and renowned schools in Bhubaneswar.
Classrooms. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra classrooms are very spacious with bright surroundings. Our classrooms are very clean and tidy with AC and non-AC classrooms.
The teachers here are very much experienced and skillful, by which we are able to clear our doubts and complete the lessons very easily.
Science Laboratory. The school has well-developed science laboratories in physics, chemistry and biology separately.
Our school enhances and enables the students to achieve their success and their knowledge with all the facilities.
Computer Lab. In the present context, with the development of technology, the school offers an intensive computer teaching with a computer lab. Library. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra have a great library facility within the campus. Playgrounds. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra has a vast playgrounds within the campus itself.
I never lose to say that my school is my second family, because my friends and teachers are nothing less than my family.
Transport. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra provides transport facility for the day scholar students. Our experienced professional drivers and caretakers on the bus make sure that students are picked up and dropped safely. Hostel. Separate AC and non-AC hostels for boys and girls from Standard 6 to Standard 12 for hostelers with a big hygienic canteen.
Those students are come out in that institution as like as zero. Then whenever they come out on that institution as like as hero. Zero and hero, that is far difference between the students.
जगन्नाथ मिशन ट्रस्ट रो बही पब्लिश करा जाउछि। यही बही ओडिशा मध्य अन्य शिक्षानुष्ठान रे यही बहीर चाहिदा वर्तमान सुधा अछि।
For taking admission from nursery to standard 12th, please contact Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra English Medium School affiliated to CBSE Delhi, Road number 1, Jagannath Nagar, Mauja, Kordakanta and Jharpada. Post Buddheshwari Colony, Bhubaneswar. Contact 0674 233 3253 and 2333 Mobile 98612 32365 and 82495 46728.